Most people get this comparison completely wrong. They assume Commusoft and ServiceTitan are similar tools with different branding. But that mistake can cost a business thousands of dollars and a lot of operational headaches. In this video, you'll get a clear practical breakdown of Commusoft versus ServiceTitan in 2026. We'll look at what each platform is designed for, where they shine, and which one actually fits your business size and workflow. Let's start with the core difference. ServiceTitan is built for large, high-volume service companies. Commusoft is built for structured, process-driven service businesses that want strong workflow control without extreme complexity. Now here's where it gets interesting. Imagine two business owners. Alex runs a large HVAC company with 40 technicians, multiple departments, and thousands of monthly jobs. He needs advanced reporting, call tracking, marketing tools, and deep analytics. For him, ServiceTitan is designed almost exactly for that level of complexity. But then you have Jake, who runs a mid-sized plumbing company with 8 technicians. He needs strong job tracking, customer history, and smooth scheduling, but he doesn't need heavy enterprise-level marketing tools. For him, Commusoft feels more focused and easier to manage. But here's the problem. Many growing companies jump straight into ServiceTitan, thinking it will future-proof their business. But they quickly realize it comes with a steep learning curve, higher cost, and more system overhead than they actually need. On the other hand, some larger companies start with simpler tools like Commusoft, and eventually hit a ceiling when they need deeper automation, call center features, or advanced revenue tracking. So let's break it down clearly. ServiceTitan is strongest in advanced business intelligence, marketing automation, call tracking, and revenue optimization. It's built like an all-in-one operating system for large service enterprises. If you're running multiple teams, call centers, and aggressive growth campaigns, it gives you serious control. Commusoft focuses more on workflow structure, job management, customer history, and operational clarity. It's less about marketing, and more about keeping your service operations clean, organized, and efficient. It works especially well for companies that rely on repeat customers and scheduled services. Now here's the key difference most people miss. ServiceTitan is built for scaling revenue aggressively. Commusoft is built for managing operations efficiently. That one distinction can completely change your decision. So, which one should you choose? If you're a large contractor business with high job volume, multiple departments, and a strong focus on marketing and growth analytics, ServiceTitan is the more powerful platform. But if you're a small to mid-sized service company that wants structure, clarity, and reliable job management without overwhelming complexity, Commusoft is often the better fit. The real takeaway is simple. Don't choose based on features alone. Choose based on the scale and complexity of your operations today, not what sounds impressive on paper. Now you have a clear, honest comparison of Commusoft versus ServiceTitan in 2026, without the confusion. If this helped you understand your options better, hit like, drop a comment with your business size, and subscribe for more clear software breakdowns like this.